All right, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I got another exciting matchup for you guys here tonight, and first and foremost, let me welcome back the 2017 Porsche 911 Turbo. Now, the last time you guys seen this car on the channel, it raced up against a stock McLaren 720S. Now, this car has a upgraded turbo kit from ByDesign, utilizing XR 6164 turbos with full bolt-on supporting mods. He is still on the stock clutch. He's running on 93 octane with meth injection, and he just got dynoed just recently, made 907 to the wheels. Now, these cars they weigh around 3,500 to 3,600 pounds, and he's gonna be running up against a 2016 C7 Z06. Now, this is going to be the last time I see this car, probably, since he's from out of town. And this is going to be our last race together. So just a little recap of what's done to this car. This is a upgraded Magnuson 2650 Supercharger with heads and cam, full supporting mods with direct port meth injection, running on C16 fuel. Now, this car makes over 900 to the wheel. I don't have the torque numbers, and this car, it weighs similar to what the Porsche does. It weighs around 3,500 to 3,600 pounds. He is running on Thompson ET Street R tires. And just something interesting for you guys just to show. He did take his front seat out, but being dedicated to you guys, I just put some cushion on here, and I'm gonna be sitting on the floor. So that, you know what that means? Both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the Z06, and the first race we're gonna do is from 60 miles an hour. Guys, on to round two. Close your window. We are going to do a 50 roll. Okay. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, the transmission. Ooh, you took off hard. Guys, round three, last one. We're gonna do that 50 roll one more time. Be in second gear. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Porsche moves, bro. quick. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.